A bird and a turtle.
This one's a chimney swift, not chimney slow, turtle. Get it? Chimney swift, not chimney slow. Turtle. Turtle. Get it? I said chimney swift, not chimney slow. Turtle. Turtle, why aren't you laughing?
Oh, bird, I had something I've been wanting to tell ya.
What is it, Turtle?
Oh, well, just since my race with the rabbit, I've been so slow. I'm so out of shape.
We're not that slow, Turtle.
Oh, I'm slower than molasses on a cold winter's day in line at the DMV.
Okay, I know. You can exercise.
You mean like running?
Yeah, that's what I do.
No. All right.
All right, ready? On your mark, get set, go. Turtle, it doesn't work if you do it in slow motion.
I wasn't going in slow motion.
You can come to Virtual Fitness Center.
No, that won't work.
Yes, it will.
No, it won't.
Yes, it will.
No, it won't. All right, I'll give it a shot.
Let's go.
Oh.
Later, at Birdie's Total Fitness Center,
Are you guys ready to work out? Are you ready to work out? Look at this guy. Now reach and reach and breathe. Come on, guys. Reach and reach and breathe. Oh, you're Turtle. Come on, guys. You did a great job. Reach and reach and breathe. Turtle here. Great job, guys. Good class. I'll see you next week. Hi, Turtle.
Hi, bird.
You made it.
Yeah, but I don't think this is gonna work.
Yes, it will.
No, it won't.
Yes, it will.
No, it won't.
You know how to say.
All right, I'll give it a shot.
All right.
No!
Oh no, Turtle. I can help you. I'm a personal trainer here.
Really? You do that for me?
Turtle, you're my friend.
All right, I'll give it a shot.
All right.
I did it!
You did it! You are so in shape now. All right, it's time to see how fast you really are.
All right.
It's time to run the Malay way.
What's that?
The mile.
Oh.
Get it? Malay and then lay. Never mind, just run. On your mark, get set, go.
Oh, yeah, I did it!
Turtle, Turtle. I said go.
I went!
Turtle, that was the fastest mile ever. You broke the world record.
Hot dog!
Turtle, that was awesome. Good job.
Oh, and it's all thanks to you, bird.
Oh, you're welcome, Turtle.
You know, I could really go for a protein shake about now.
Ooh, that is great. 'Cause I would really love a double bacon cheeseburger.
Well, last one there's buying.